everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to see which app is secretly using your internet data on your Android mobile. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to see which app is secretly using internet data on your Android mobile, then I will show you how to find this. First of all, you have to open the settings, click on the search, then type here data usage. Click on this first non-operator data usage, then click on non-operator data usage. This is the data record of the application which is using more data from your Wi-Fi. As you can see, this is the application. Suppose if you want to remove background data usage from this application, you have to just disable this option, and you will find all the data usage of your Android applications from here. This was from Wi-Fi, and if you want to know from your mobile data, then go back, again you have to type data usage. After that you can see last option, data usage. Click on this. Here you will find data usage below roaming option. Tap on the data usage and wait for some time. As you can see, all these applications which are using mobile data. Suppose if you want to remove background data usage, just select that application, then disable it. That's it guys. So in this way you can see which app is secretly using your internet data on your Android device. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.